We are given r equals 1 over 3 sine theta plus 4 cosine theta in polar coordinates. We want to identify this function. So first of all, recall that x in Cartesian system is written r cosine theta and y is written as r sine theta because of the convention. You can see the right triangle you have. If it is the origin here and this is the point here is given, say xy, this length is y, this length is x, and let me call it theta. So then this is your hypotenuse r, and we know r squared equals x squared plus y squared by the Pythagorean theorem. All right, so let me see how we can identify the first one. So we have, if I can bring r with cosine theta and r with sine theta, then it's done. So let us do this one with the cross multiplication. We get 3r sine theta plus 4r cosine theta. This is 1. Now I can replace x for r cosine theta and y for r sine theta. So we get 3y plus 4x equals 1. And as you have seen in my previous video, that ax plus by equals c, this is the equation of straight line. So we are done. So we have identified that the first polar form is actually a straight line. The second one again, we have r equals 3 sine theta cosine theta. So we need some r here. So what do you do? Multiply by r both sides. You get r squared equals 3r sine theta plus 4r cosine theta. Now replace r squared goes to x squared plus y squared, 3y plus 4x. So this is going to be a circle. Now we want to use complete square and then identify the center and the radius. So what do you do in the next step? You write x squared minus 4x and y squared minus 3y, moving your terms from the right side to left side with the reverse operation. And then use the concept of complete square. The complete square concept is you write x from x squared and take the half of the coefficient you have for x. This is to square it. The same thing we'll be doing here. Will be 3 half squared in. Now we need to make the balance. So 2 square, if you add on the right hand side, is same as subtracting in the left hand side. That's the additional term we are getting. So then 2 squared gives me 4, and then 3 over 2 squared gives me 9 over 4. If you add all together, you get 25 over 4. So that gives me like 5 over 2 squared. So now I know that this is the known equation again. We have learned in the previous video that x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals a squared. So then the equation represents circle again, center at 2, 3 half, and the radius is 5 over 2. Then you can talk about the total area enclosed by this circle and also what is the perimeter or the circumference of this circle using the formulas we have